Using Canva Whiteboard for exit tickets is a perfect way for students to reflect on and share what they are learning during their playlist. First, I created a Canva template. To access the template, click on Canva Template. Then click on Use Template for New Design. This is going to make you a copy of the template I have provided. On your Canva whiteboard, there is a couple of things for students. The first thing is our topic. We are learning about multiplication. You can click in the topic and change this to fit the needs of your class. I have also provided instructions for the students. Duplicate the sticky note to tell me one important thing you learned about multiplication and one question you still have. Drag and drop your sticky note over your classroom number when you are finished. To duplicate the sticky note I have provided, teach the students to click on the sticky note and then click Duplicate. This will make students a copy of the sticky note with all sentence stems or questions that you have provided for them. Students will then type in their response and drag their sticky note to their correct classroom number. Something to note about utilizing Canva whiteboards is that all students will have access to this one document. So it is important for students to know that they can only duplicate your sticky note and edit their own sticky note and not other students. To share your Canva whiteboard with your students, click on the Share button in the top right corner, then find Collaboration link. Using the drop-down, click on Anyone with the link can access this design. Make sure that you give editing rights to your students, and then click on Copy Link. From here, I am going to go into my Schoology course, click on Add Materials, Add File, Link, or External Tool, Link, and then paste your link in the URL box. You can then give your link a title. I am going to title this Canva Jotlot, and then I am going to turn off the button that says Display in Schoology. This will allow students to click on the link and be redirected to the Canva website. Utilizing Canva whiteboards is an amazing way for students to reflect on their thinking, and also as a teacher for you to check in with your students in all one spot to see how your students are doing on their playlist items.